day shining bright. A racing gate marks 34 in sight. A mountain peak stands at 35. A blooming garden counts 36 alive. A bubbling mystery is 37, let's see. A treasure chest holds 38 with glee. The finish line counts to 39, so true. A milestone reached at 40, woohoo! A hero in action is 41, so bold. A book of stories makes it 42 to be told. A soccer game kicks to 43 in play. A chocolate cake stacks up to 44 a day. A speeding race car is 45, zoom zoom. A parrot with colors makes 46 in blue. A mountain tall stands at 47, so high. A tricky puzzle counts to 48, oh my. A sparkling treasure is 49, a delight. A cheer for 50, hip hip hooray, just right.